When your Minka Aire ceiling fan remote stops working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take before calling for professional help. The most common cause of remote failure is a dead battery. Minka Aire remotes typically use A23 12-volt batteries. Always try replacing the battery with a fresh one first. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, try power cycling the fan. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on. Radio frequency interference is another common issue that can affect your remote's performance. Minka Aire remotes communicate using radio frequency signals. Interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers, cell phones, or microwaves can disrupt this communication. Here are two specific issues you might encounter and how to fix them. If the remote's green light stays on continuously, a button might be stuck. Gently tap the remote to dislodge it. If your fan starts or stops without you pressing any buttons, this is usually caused by radio frequency interference from other devices. Try moving interfering devices away from the fan. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most Minka Aire remote issues. Try these solutions before moving to more advanced reset procedures. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to fix your Minka Aire remote, advanced syncing and reset procedures are required. These methods involve reprogramming the connection between your remote and the ceiling fan receiver. The first method applies to remotes with a learn button. You need to locate the receiver unit in the fan canopy where the wiring connects to the junction box. Press the learn button on the receiver. Then, within 30 seconds, press and hold the corresponding button on your remote until the fan light blinks to confirm pairing. For remotes without a learn button, use the alternative method. Turn the fan power back on, and within 60 seconds, press and hold the stop button on the remote for 3 seconds. The fan light should blink to confirm successful pairing. If syncing issues persist, check the dip switches. These small switches in both the remote and receiver must match exactly. Remove the battery cover to access the dip switches in your remote and ensure they're set to the same positions as those in the receiver unit. Modern Minka Aire systems offer smartphone control as an alternative to traditional remotes. These apps provide the same functionality and can serve as a backup when your physical remote needs repair or replacement.